when you can say anomaly.
But is there consistency when
what we are saying, why we are saying it's an anomaly. If something like that is happening, I think all participating parties are supposed to be in the know-how of that there is something like this.
So that there is transparency.
So that there is transparency. It then becomes an anomaly when I'm the leader of MTC or Bulawayo, and angisikwazi ukuthi there is something like that
It
then becomes an anomaly.
Hello, Shami. How are you? Very well. I have a situation here. My office is besieged by politicians. They want to know why some people are voting. I want to find out if you have dispersed the postal votes. I want to find out if you have dispersed the postal ballots. Awuzuziwe. Mr. Mrenjari kuphi?
Into esicela ukuthi maybe kulo ukuthi sibe sikhuluma nisingekho